2005 Scion XB with 10,000 miles. 10,000 original miles. That's right, I didn't stutter. 10,000 original miles. XB, perfect first car. Super clean. Inside and out. It's a nice black cherry pearl. Tires pretty much look brand new to me. No scratches, dings, dents, anything like that. All four tires, really nice. Dent free, scratch free, problem free, very well maintained. I had a couple service appointments from roller takers. Toyota, engineered, known to last forever. Great commuter, 30 to 40 miles per gallon depending on your habits. Notice how clean it is inside and out. Back seats look brand new, never been sat in. Interior super clean. Check out this Carfax coming up. As I said, it's a one owner, no accidents, locally owned. Elderly lady owned it before, barely drove it. As you can see, to and from church, get the groceries on the weekend. Check out that mileage right there, 10,990 original one owner miles. Everything works on this vehicle. It's practically immaculate. Power mirrors, everything. Guys, you will not find another one out there like that. Get it before it sells.